Lifted Toyota Tacoma for sale near me. Wow! If there is a question about lifting a Toyota Tacoma for sale near me, of course, the answer will be different. However, ZiiCars News can guide you on how to find a lifted Toyota Tacoma for sale near you. Here are tips for you so that you can find out where to sell Toyota Tacoma cars. 1. Via online classified websites. Websites like AutoTrader, Cars.com, and Craigslist often have listings for both new and used vehicles. Use the search filters to specify your location and preferences for a lifted Toyota Tacoma. 2. Via dealership websites. Check the websites of local Toyota dealerships. They may have a section for used vehicles, or you can contact them directly to inquire about lifted Tacomas. 3. Via social media. Utilize social media platforms, especially local groups or forums related to off-roading, trucks, or Toyota enthusiasts. Members might share information about lifted Tacomas for sale. 4. Via specialized off-road forums. Explore forums and communities dedicated to off-road enthusiasts. Websites like Tacoma World or other 4x4 forums often have classified sections where members buy, sell, or trade vehicles. 5. Via word of mouth. Ask around in your local community, among friends, or at off-road events. Sometimes, individuals looking to sell their lifted Tacomas prefer word-of-mouth referrals. 6. Via custom off-road shops. Contact local off-road or customization shops. They might be aware of lifted Tacomas for sale or could help you find one. Remember to exercise caution and perform due diligence when buying a used vehicle. It's advisable to have a trusted mechanic inspect the vehicle before making a purchase. Additionally, ensure that any modifications, including the lift kit, were done professionally and do not compromise the vehicle's safety or performance. Okay, hopefully useful about lifted Toyota Tacoma for sale near me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ZiiCars News channel.